Hello, my name is Jesse Cha, and I am a PhD candidate at the Romella Laboratory at UCLA. My research is primarily focused on using scaled vehicle platforms for the subject of autonomous racing. And I brought my vehicle for demonstration. You can see here, I use these palm-sized platforms with the Phidget IMU so that I could do research with scaled autonomous racing. Autonomous racing is a very interesting topic to research because it carries over to research areas such as transportation. And let me give you an example. When we're driving autonomous vehicles or riding autonomous vehicles in highways, oftentimes we run into these so-called edge cases. And these edge cases involve interactions between opposing vehicles at high speeds, whether it be a vehicle that is trying to overtake another vehicle or a vehicle that is intersecting in the highway. And autonomous racing can be used as a safe means of analyzing these different edge case scenarios. Furthermore, autonomous racing also has benefits for robotics and autonomous driving education because it provides an accessible means of having students to work on autonomy, robotics, and artificial intelligence. PocketRacer is an initiative led by our laboratory, primarily to do educational outreach. So my research focus has two main branches, one focusing on purely autonomous racing, and another branch which focuses on the educational aspect of autonomous racing, which is basically to use these scaled platforms and use a budget-friendly means of trying to provide accessible education, robotics education, towards undergrad students at UCLA. Currently, I am using the Phidgets Spatial Precision with the accelerometer, magnetometer, and gyroscope. I primarily chose Phidgets because it was in the appropriate price range of IMUs that can be used for not just research, but also educational outreach. Phidgets is also very precise. And compared to other IMUs, I felt they had a very easy to use interface. So one of the future plans for PocketRacer is not to just remain for educational outreach in UCLA, but also compete with other schools by contacting other universities and colleges interested in learning about scaled autonomous racing.